Hello, today we're talking about clutter and how clutter is the thief of time. Some of you, many of you who I mentor, especially in the beginning, say, Kat, I can't do a morning routine in 30 minutes. Well, a lot of the reason you can't is because there's clutter everywhere, not just in your way, but you can't find anything. So if you can't find your hairbrush, if you can't find your face cream, if you can't find your mascara, or it's down in the drawer somewhere, that is minutes going by, minutes and minutes add up, seconds add up, drips of water add up, right? The dripping of water wears away stone. So the first thing you want to do is organize like things together and then start getting rid of the stuff that is superfluous. It is not wanted by you. It is not needed by you. It is trash. Whatever it is, get rid of it, consolidate, and keep it in like groups together. That is organization, and that is decluttering. Have a great day.